What is your name?
My name is John. What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from England.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Who is this?
This is my friend, Mary. Is this your friend?
Yes, his name is John.
Where is Michael from?
He is from the United States. Is Sarah a doctor?
No, she is a nurse. What is your last name?
My last name is Williams. How do you spell your name?
James.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it is wonderful.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have one daughter.
What is her name?
Her name is Jennifer.
How is your mother?
She is very well, thank you.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What language does David speak?
He speaks French. Is this your first time in London?
Yes, it is my first time. I am Max, by the way.
It is nice to meet you. I am Anna.
Are you here on holiday?
No, I am here for work.
What is your phone number?
My number is 123456.
Are Robert and Linda your parents?
Yes, they are my parents.
Do you know Richard?
Yes, I know him.
Is Elizabeth your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
What is your nationality?
I am American.
Who is your English teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Can I have your email address?
Yes, it is john@email.com.
Are you a new student?
Yes, I am new here.
Do you want to be friends?
Yes, I would like that.
Hi, I'm Emma. Are you Daniel?
Yes, I am. Nice to meet you.
Is this your first class here?
Yes, it is. I am a little excited. Good morning, John. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I did. I feel ready for the day.
Hello, Sarah. Is this your first day at work? Yes, it is. Everything is new. Do you like the office? Yes, I do. It is bright and friendly.
Hi, I'm David. Is your name Alice?
Yes, it is.
How do you spell it?
Alice.
Good afternoon, Alice. How is your day going?
It is going well, thanks.
Are you busy this afternoon?
No, I am free after lunch.
Hey, William. Is it good to be back? Yes, it is. I missed this place. How are you these days? I am doing well, thank you. Hello, Olivia. May I introduce myself?
Of course. Please go ahead.
What do you do?
I am a student at a language school.
Good evening, Daniel. Are you here for the meeting? Yes, I am. It starts at 7. Is this seat free? Yes, it is. You can sit here.
Hi, Grace. Do you know everyone here? No, I only know a few people. Can you introduce me to them? Yes, I can. Let's go together.
Hello, Henry. Do you live near here? Yes, I live 10 minutes away. Do you like your neighborhood? Yes, I do. It is quiet and safe. Good morning, Emily. Are you ready for the day?
Yes, I am. I have many plans.
What are you doing this morning?
I am going to class and then to work.
Hi, Andrew. How is your family? They are all well, thank you. Do they live near you? Yes, they live in the same town. Hello, Claire. Is your last name Brown?
Yes, it is.
How do you pronounce it?
It sounds like the color brown.
Good afternoon, James. Are you feeling okay? I feel a little tired today. Do you need some water? Yes, please. That would be nice. Hi, Lucy. Did you enjoy our talk?
Yes, I did. It was very nice.
Shall we meet again tomorrow?
Yes, let's meet at the same time.
What would you like to order, Emma?
I'd like a chicken burger, please.
Would you like fries with it?
Yes, please. A small portion is fine. What would you like to drink, Daniel?
I'd like a glass of orange juice.
Would you like ice in it?
No, thank you. I don't want ice.
What would you like for breakfast, Olivia? I'd like eggs and toast, please. Would you like tea or coffee? I'd like tea with milk. Which pizza would you like, William?
I'd like the cheese pizza.
Would you like a small or large one?
A small one is enough for me.
Would you like some soup, Sarah? Yes, I'd like tomato soup. Would you like bread with it? Yes, please. 2 pieces are enough.
Would you like a dessert, John? Yes, I'd like some chocolate cake. Would you like cream with it? No, thank you. Just the cake. What kind of coffee would you like, Alice?
I'd like a small latte, please.
Would you like sugar in it?
Yes, please. 1 spoon is enough. Is your order for here or to go, David?
It's to go, please.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Do you have any food allergies, Emily? Yes, I'm allergic to nuts. Would you like a meal without nuts? Yes, please. That is very important.
Are you ready for the bill, Henry? Yes, please. We are finished. Would you like to pay by card? Yes, I'd like to pay by card.
Do you have a reservation, Grace? Yes, I booked a table for two. Would you like a table by the window? Yes, please. That would be nice.
How would you like your steak, Benjamin? I'd like it well done, please. Would you like potatoes or rice with it? I'd like potatoes, please. What would you like in your salad, Lucy?
I'd like tomatoes, cucumber, and cheese.
Would you like some dressing?
Yes, please. I'd like olive oil. Which sandwich would you like, Andrew?
I'd like the tuna sandwich, please.
Would you like white or brown bread?
I'd like brown bread, please. Would you like to try the local dish, Victoria?
Yes, I'd like to try it.
Would you like it spicy?
A little spicy, please. Is everything okay with your meal, Anthony?
Yes, it is very good. Thank you.
Would you like some more water?
Yes, please. Just a little. Can I bring you another drink, Amanda?
Yes, I'd like some lemonade.
Would you like a small or large glass?
A large glass, please. Are you ready to order, Christopher?
Yes, I'd like the grilled fish.
Would you like vegetables with it?
Yes, please. I'd like some carrots. Would you like a starter, Claire?
Yes, I'd like the garlic bread.
Would you like 1 or 2 portions?
One portion is enough, thank you.